Hi there, it's Steve here from over at PVE in Somerset. You get some good days and you get some bad days. Today is most definitely a good day. So most people my age will know this immediately. In fact, it's an iconic car. You'll probably immediately know it. So we've got Audi Sport Quattro, homologation version. I just can't tell you how excited I am. This one is presently owned by a very famous musician. I won't go into anyone's name, but you may or may not know who it is. It was originally owned by Adam down at AM Cars. Adam's been looking after this for a good few years and sold it. How long ago did you sell this on me?
In 1998.
1998. Adam down at AM has had, I'll put their link down in my, whatever this is down here at some point in a minute. But Adam's had the absolute pleasure of putting this one back on the road. It's been left for a little while and just going through and just making sure everything's right, which is we're just going to get that finished up now, just make sure it's fueling and boosting correctly. I'll put a little video up of the car shortly.